Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you my hand fed, the 3-month update on that. And let me show you that real quick. And over here, I'm going to go over here because the sun is right there, right in front of. And you can see the power cord right there. I'm going straight up. Okay. Power cord. After that, the sun is right there. Let me go back. Let me back up over here. Show you another angle of that power cord. You see it going up there. You go to about 40 feet up there, all the way up there by that branch all the way up there. Not this one, the one all the way up there. That one. And then it comes down over here. You see the, you follow this branch, you can see the wire. It's 80 feet long. Okay. And a few days back, I was getting SWR for 3, and there was an issue with that. And the problem was that the wire was wrapped around one of the branches, and instead of coming straight down, it was wrapped up on the branch, and then everything. So I had to take the wire and do like a jump rope thing on the other side and pull it, and I got it freed. So that's what happened. My SWR just jumped from a perfect match to like 3.3 and above. It was really high. I was like, okay, I can't have this. So I figured out it was that. After I checked all my connections and everything, it turned out to be that it was windy the other day. And that one of those smaller branches got tangled up with the wire, and my SWR went crazy. I didn't think that was going to happen, but it did happen. As soon as I fixed it, I went to the radio, I went to the transceiver, and I tested it out, and it was fine. Now I got a perfect match. I was using it this morning, so it's okay now. So it's just that issue. I wish I can trim some of those branches, but they're way too high for me to do anything with them. If it would have been lower like this one, I have a pole chainsaw that I can reach some of them, but those are way too high. Hopefully that won't be an issue over and over. But so far, so good. 3 months in. It's pretty good. So let's walk to the other side. And I have to reshoot the video because yesterday was a real mess over here. So I decided let me shoot it today. Plus, it's less windy today. So let's walk over here and walk underneath this wire here. And of course, last night I was doing the some band scan on live stream. So you can see the MLE30, the copper loop. He's now pointing east to west. Okay. And since I got rid of the hum issue from the disc cone, it's a lot cleaner now. Now the medium wave band is a lot better. So let's walk over here on the other end. And yeah, so you see the wire right there. It's coming down. It's a sloper style. And fed. Let me get over here. I gotta walk around this branch over here. So you can see. Let me go straight up here. I can show you now. And fed. Okay. Go all the way up there. Alright. So over here, everything's still good. 3 months later, it's still standing strong. I only have to deploy that thing once, loosen it from here. It was a real powerful wind, but other than that, it's been fine. It sustained winds over 40 miles an hour plus. So far, so good. And of course, it's sealed. Electrical tape and all that. Because I got ground wire over here. Ground wire connected to this copper pipe. Yeah, 6 feet of copper pipe. I hammered it in there. and connected that. Okay, so pretty good there. And I was thinking I'll put in some radials, but the problem is I don't have a lot of room here to put a few of those radials. Plus over here, I will have to bury it because I'm when this grass grows, I have to mow it every so often. But right now I don't need it. I'm okay. You know, I have the Xiegu G90 tuner and the radio, and the auto tune seems to be doing a perfect match with what I have now. So maybe in the future I may include that, a couple of radios or something. We'll see. So there you go. 3-month update on that. Let me open this side. Just gonna one more shot of the end fed. Okay. And it's working well. Very happy with it. Right now it's moving because of the wind. It's a little breezy today. Not as windy as it was yesterday. You see the trees. And there you go. Let me go back under here. And I'll wrap this up. Alrighty. So there you go. Okay, so that's a 3-month update on that. It's working well. Very happy with the results of this end fed so far. And there you go. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. For more radio related content like this. And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.